Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open the box and inspect the tamper-evident seal. Do not proceed if the seal is broken. Check the device serial number and firmware version visible on the screen, and only then visit Trezor. To download the official bridge and suite. Use the supplied USB-C cable and connect to a trusted computer. Avoid public or shared machines. Confirm that the screen matches the web suite prompt before accepting any action, and refuse to use a device that shows inconsistent serials or unexpected firmware. Follow the on-device prompts to initialize the wallet rather than restoring from a seed immediately. Select a numerical PIN of at least 4 digits, confirm it twice on the device, and never store the PIN on cloud or photo backups. Let the device generate your recovery words on screen, then write each word down on the provided recovery card in order. Do not type, photograph, or save them digitally. Confirm each word on the device to complete initialization, and do not skip any verification prompts. After writing down all 12 to 24 recovery words exactly in order, store the written copy in 2 separate secure locations, such as a safe or bank deposit box. Practice a backup, restore on a spare device or simulated environment to confirm the recovery words recreate your wallet. Send a small test transaction, for example or equivalent, to an address shown on the device to verify address integrity. If you enable a passphrase feature, understand it is an optional additional secret, and test restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.